So when this actuates this way, current will now pass through this side, and this bulb will now glue to show that your socket now have lights. But when the circuit is open, it will be like this. Current will not flow. The current will only stop here. Is when you actuate it on. If you actuate it on up, that is when the thing will have contact, current will flow. And the mechanism of this thing, as you can see, this particular place now. Hi friends, welcome to Rokaman Creative. Please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment. Today we'll be treating on sockets. It's 13 amp socket and 15 amp socket. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's move to the video. These are both sockets, which is this is 13 amp sockets and this is 15 amp sockets. So whenever you are getting sockets, the amp rating, two of them have 250 volts. Look at this is 13 amp socket, 13 amps, 250 volts, and this is just the BS series number. Likewise, this, it is being written here. So it's 15 amps, 250 volts. A call. Look at the BS number again. Well, they have a two difference about this socket. Now, this 50 amp socket is the socket you can normally use for your television, DVD, other little appliances, because it only carry any amp that worth 15 amp, any load that is lower than 15 amp. Likewise, this is for your AC, any gadget that is heavy. So that is what this thing, that is what these sockets can carry. Please mind you, this thing, this something that look like iron or copper is for the arts. Likewise, this, as you can see it here, this is for the arts. You now have terminal into this. Look at the symbol of arts. Anywhere you see this splash, you know that is arts. Look at it here. So this, it passed towards this side. From here, it entered inside here. I have contact with this and come out here. Okay, so let me lose the 50 amp socket. Let us see what is inside. I'm still Rokaman Creative. So any observation, just say it in the comment section. Hope you guys see it. So this is telling you that everything is working perfectly fine. Now, this is for the switch. Look at the switch here to trigger the off and on. That is the main purpose of this, on and off, and they have a little spring inside of it. Look at it. Likewise this. So it presses whenever you want to actuate it to the other side. This will go down. If you press it on, whenever you want to switch it off, it will go down to enable the thing to take you to the other destination, and it will off. That is why the purpose of the spring is there. If this spring is not here, it will be very difficult for you to off it and for you to on it. It will be very, very difficult, but due to the help of the spring, it make it work quite easy. That is why whenever you are on it, you'll be hearing pass, something like this. That you are hearing the sound. Is the function of this spring. Now, this you see here is copper. Amp rating is not because of they have the it's not because of it's well connected or because of its switch. It's because of the thickness of the copper. Thickness of this copper you see here is quite different from the one inside the 13 amp socket. So this one is thicker. That's why this one can this one higher voltage can pass through this. And it will not melt the copper, or it will not melt the insulated parts because of its copper. You have a higher sensitive material. Now look at this cable you see here is for indicator. You see it, this one you see here is being connected here. This other one is being connected here. So that's to show you that when current entered these two terminal now, it will actually this lead bulb here you see here will glue. This bulb you see here now will shine light. This is an AC bulb. If you connect it with battery with DC, it will not shine. It's only for AC voltage. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. Now, this for the arts. You see what I'm telling you in the first section. Look at the arts, it's being connected here. I cannot pull it out. If I want to pull it out, I got to remove it from the insulated part. So I cannot pull it out. This spring you see here is the function of whenever you see this thing you see here now, you see it. If you plug your socket outlet, this insulator that is here will go down. You see, whenever you plug the socket outlet, the insulator here will go down. That's the function of this. Is being processed by a spring. Whenever you plug any substance here or any switch that have 3 terminal, it will go down. That's the mechanism. That's what is happening inside the socket. Now you'll be wondering, why this terminal is down here? Why this terminal is down here? And let me put it properly. Why this terminal is down here and the place that putting cable is up? Now as you can see, this one is up straight, connected straight. Let me check. Okay, this is the neutral. The neutral is connected. Anywhere you see N is neutral. Anywhere you see L is live. The neutral is connected straight to the terminal here. As you can see, it's well connected. Why this is for the life. As you can see, it's well connected. Come here and stop. Why the thing stop here? Because of they want to put this functionality of this switch. This switch. That is why I think stop here. Let me connect it and show you what I'm saying. As you can see, you see it bar. Now this functionality of this switch now work in a process whereby this is being installed this way. hope you guys what I'm doing. Now as you can see, you see it's not touching each other. So when this switch now pushes this this copper up this way, you see conductor current will flow due to the mechanism of this spring inside. So when it pushes, when the spring, when you off it now, the spring will move down to here. It will separate the circuit. But when they want to have a conductor with the circuit, it will raise it up this way. That's just the functionality of the spring. That's just the functionality of this thing you see here for the switch. So when this actuates this way, current will now pass through this side, and this bulb will now glue to show that your socket now have lights. But when the circuit is open, it will be like this. Current will not flow. The current will only stop here. Is when you actuate it on. If you actuate it on up, that is when the thing will have contact, current will flow. And the mechanism of this thing, as you can see, this particular place now, here is copper. You see this particular place, copper. So it's been tapped here. That is why they put it this way. The people that did this are so genius. That's why they put it this way. You see. So the spring will help you to hold it very tight. It will just press it. When you want to off it, the spring will come here. It will off, on, off, on, off, on, off. As you can see, there are two here. So as this other one here, this one you see here now is for this, while this other side you see is for this on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Let me show you in a simple way. You see it now. If you on it, it will be like this. If you off it, it will be like this. On it, it will be like this. Off it, it will be like this. Okay, let me cover it back. This for the 30 socket. Please click on the like button. Click on the like button. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand, please just say it in the comment section. You see it now. Let me do it now. You're hearing the sound. That's the functionality there. This is, if you press this, it will go down. Positive and negative. The purpose of this thing, in case of children, that is why they put this thing here, because children might use nail and gonna be choking into the life cable or the neutral. So that is the purpose of this insulator you see here, to cover the life and the neutral cable. Now let's tighten the socket. Please, I'm still Rockman Creative. Now we are done with the 30 socket. Now this is 50 socket. It's the same mechanism. The thing, what we see here is the same thing that's happening here. The position of this switch now, the live wire, the neutral, is connected direct to this terminal. This neutral is connected direct to this terminal. Why the live